Ajesa Otofima. My name is Jennifer from Vika Studio, and today I'll be teaching you guys the NDOKWA, which is also known as the Ukwuani cultural dance steps. Please, before I forget, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and also share this video. So now let's go down to the dance steps. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, just subscribe to our channel, like, and also comment. So as you guys know, I told you I'll be teaching you the NDOKWA, which is also known as the Ukwuani cultural dance steps. Please guys, this dance is not hard. It's so easy. So look at the steps. So let's go guys. First of all, the first step is like this. Do your leg like this. You raise your leg again like this. You're also using your hands. So when dancing these steps, you don't have to stand, because if you stand, the beauty of the dance will not be there. So just look at me. So you go like this with your left leg and your left hand will move together. Same goes to the right hand and the right leg. So guys, just watching. It's like this. And please, when dancing, smile to give this dance a beautiful rhythm. So let's go. Like this, like this, like this, like this. You can also bend. If you feel like going down, you can go like this, like this, like this. So guys, that is that for the first step. So let's go down to the second step. So this second step, we're going to use our hands. Our right hand and our left hand will move with our right leg. It's going this way. So guys, just focus on my hand and my leg. So it's like this. So you can also use your left leg and your hands too. So it's like this. So guys, that is that for the second step. While for the third step, you turn your back. Let me turn my back so you guys can see me properly. Turn your back. So we are going to make use of our hands in our back. So watch me carefully. So it's going to be like this. And we're also using our legs also. So to be like this. And bend. And you can turn with it. Let's go down. So guys, that is that for the third step. So let's go down to the fourth step. So this fourth step, we're going to use our waist. You know, we women, we like style a lot. So we're going to put more style is on our waist. So watch me carefully. Let me turn so that you watch me. So it's going to be, and you're using your right leg to turn. So it's like this, guys. It's like this. It's like this. So let me make it faster so that you see the beauty while using your waist and your leg. So it's like this. That is that for fourth step. While for the fifth step, you're going to go down like this. Set your waist so that you see the beauty of the dance. So it's going to be like this. You go up, like you go outside, you go inside, you go outside, you go inside again, you go outside, go inside. So let me do it so you see it. So guys, that is that for the fifth step. While for the sixth step, we're going to go down, and before going down, use your hands and your back also. But this time around, I'm going to go down and I'm going to dance with it. So it's going to be like this. So let's turn with it. While the seventh step, let's use our waist to make our body so flexible. So let's go, guys. Are you seeing me? And you're moving with your legs. You're moving with your legs. You're moving with your legs. Because you make use of your leg. And without your leg, your waist will not move. So let's go, guys. It's going to be like this. 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 So that is that for the sixth step. So to the next step. So this step is going to be like this. Going to be like this. Going to be like this. So let me teach you gently so you understand it. So let's go. And you're using your hand. You will go like this. And we are also using, let me turn. We're also using our back. Can you see it? So it's going to be like this. So let me turn with it. Bend. So you also bend so that the dance will look beautiful. Then smile. So guys, let's combine everything together. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and more videos to come. Thank you. I love you guys.